Everybody, Carm Capriotto, Remarkable Results Radio. I'm here at the EV Training Bay at Babcock Studio with my friend Matt Fanslow from the podcast Diagnosing the Aftermarket A to Z. Also from Riverside Automotive, shop manager, a technology specialist. Glad to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Hey, we're here to talk about shop owners encouraging themselves and their technicians to get to AAPEX this year, November 5th through the 7th. One of the things that I have always watched you, last year we walked the show floor and his eyes started to light up every time he took a look at a new product or you shook hands with an individual in a booth whose products you use to give them some advice.
Yes, you can sit on your computer and you can look at these new products and what's coming down the pike. And then you could be there in that bay looking at this, EV battery lift, seeing it, feeling it, touching it, and asking somebody about it. Not just the price, but how does it work? What's the training for my technicians to learn how to use it? Is it a multitasker? Stuff like that. Like, can I use it for something other than EV?
Yeah, let's talk about the elephant in the room. And the elephant in the room is I can't close my business, I can't send my people, we'll lose all kinds of revenue. There's a trend going on in our industry where the shops are closing, they're taking a large group of technicians, service advisors, and they're going to training. AAPEX should be destination November for you. And we've heard over and over and over again, and I'm telling you straight, when you get back, the revenue is always brought back. The team just works a little extra, works a little harder. You never seem, the shop owners that take their teams always say, but we never lose a beat.
Well, or we're gonna do it again. It's kind of like that Disney reference. People go to Disney World. Wow, that's a lot of money. I can't wait to do it again. You plan for it, right? You make sacrifices or you make plans to work your way to doing that. It's the same with growing your business, right? It's the same with growing your team, and maybe not in size and numbers of employees, but in their capability and their competency.
I love it. When doctors go away to conferences, you never know, because they don't take appointments them days, right? And it's the same inside of our industry.
There's that team building aspect. There's also just the aspect of networking and getting everyone out there and meeting people and creating contacts, developing relationships with suppliers, be it parts or tools and equipment. They come back with just a different attitude, right? There's something called seminar high. Yeah. So you come back from these conferences and you're just, that next day of work, you can't wait to get in there. You can't wait to put this new knowledge to the test or into use. You can't wait to use this new piece of equipment you just got, or you're excited because the boss just ordered this new piece of equipment. You can't wait for it to show up and start using it.
I agree with you. Agree with you on everything. Hopefully we've made an impact with everyone. Matt, thank you so much. Matt Fanslow, Riverside Automotive. And look, if you earn your living in the service aftermarket, AAPEX is for you. November 5th through the 7th, 2024, AAPEX show.com. Register and I'll see you there.